Once you've figured out what your project's objectives are, you need to formulate task scenarios that are appropriate for testing. A task scenario is an action you ask the participant to take on the design or product you are testing. There are 4 key pillars which you should build each of your tasks around. Make the task realistic. It is super important that you set tasks which reflect activities that are realistic and appropriate for your target audience. The goal here is to have participants feel like they understand the task and are setting about doing something which they would normally do. If participants are being asked to perform a task which is not relevant to them, it's likely that a better task or wording could have been chosen, or they aren't in fact the target audience and shouldn't be participating in the test. The next pillar is to make the task actionable. The task should allow for natural observation of a participant's interaction. To achieve this, it is best to create an instructive task requiring participants to perform an action they can own rather than ask how they would execute specific steps. For example, on an e-commerce website where the goal is to find an item of clothing and the colours available, a poorly written task would ask, "You would like to purchase a new item of clothing. Starting on the homepage, where would you click next?" A better written task would ask, "You would like to purchase a new pair of shoes to match the outfit you are currently wearing. See if you can find a pair which are suitable and add them to your shopping cart." The next pillar is don't give away the answer. When writing tasks, be careful you are not providing participants with hidden clues or signposts which unwittingly assist them in succeeding at the task. Common instances of this are tasks which refer to navigation or links and steer participants in that direction. Similarly, it is also just as important to ensure that you don't use language which is not natural or intuitive to your target audience. For example, the goal might be to locate a climate change article within a company's blog. A poorly written task would ask, "See if you can locate the climate change blog article." But a better written task would ask, "See if you can locate any recent commentary by this company relating to climate change." The final pillar is, keep your tasks as short as realistic. When creating a task, you don't want to be overly complicated or lengthy. The longer a task, the more confusing it may become for a participant to follow, opening the door to dropouts or behaviour that isn't reflective of real users. If you find your tasks having multiple requests or becoming complex, think about splitting up the task into 2 or 3 sections. If you have any questions about writing tasks, get in touch with our support team and we'll be happy to help you.